are the Rokid Max AR glasses, and they might look like your conventional, regular, normal glasses that you'll see around, especially when looking at them from far away, because from up close you might be able to tell that, you know, there's something up with these glasses and how they work. They're not regular glasses. Now, some of you guys out there might have had some experience using AR technology, but this guy right here is the latest release from Rokid. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at these glasses. So I've had them for about 2 weeks now, and I'm ready to talk about them. I've used them in all of that time with different devices, ranging from the Steam Deck all the way to consoles and even a smartphone. So an Android smartphone, but we'll go into detail on how it works with all of these different devices in a bit here. So basically the idea with these AR glasses is you can get up to 215 inches of screen real estate when putting these on. So when you're using these glasses, you pretty much have a theater in front of you. Something I'd like you guys to know before I dive right into it is that the copy I was sent is not the final copy. At least that's what I was told. So it's going to see improvements. There might be some things that won't work well in today's video, but will work well in the final copy or down the line. So the first thing that hit me when I got my hands on the new Rokid Max is the really fancy box that it came in. So it makes you think the company must care about making a good first impression. Opening up the box, there's the Rokid Max and all the accessories you'll need to use it with various devices all sitting in different compartments. I'm pretty sure you can pick out the Rokid Max by itself without all the different accessories to reduce the cost, as you might not need some or all of them for your use cases. All right, we'll start off with the Rokid Max AR glasses themselves. They come nicely packed in a carrying case with a matte black finish and the company name Rokid inscribed on the top side in glossy black. The case comes shaped like a pill with a hard shell on the outside, which is great for drop protection. On one side, there's a single strap for different use cases, as well as a single zipper for accessing the interior. Inside the case, the first thing you see is the Rokid Max AR glasses. The glasses look pretty normal when you're not right up close to them, and they're super lightweight too, coming in at about 75 grams. They come in a mix of black and a shade of blue, and overall I think they look pretty cool. On the top side of both rims on the glasses, there's 2 diopter control knobs for myopia correction. This simply translates to adjusting the clarity of the picture being projected to each person's specific eyesight. So it's going to be easy to share one Rokid Max between your friends and family. On the top of each temple, there's some speakers that combine with ones under to produce some high definition directional audio. On the tip of the left temple, there's a USB-C port, which is how the glasses connect to various devices. For visuals at up to 215 inches, the Rokid Max uses 2 Sony Micro OLED HD lenses for each eye. There's a removable nose pad as well on the same side, which can be adjusted to fit different nose sizes, and the hinges can also be adjusted to fit different face sizes. There's only 2 buttons on the glasses, and they're both situated on the right temple. The shorter one is sort of the power switch and can be pressed once to quickly turn on or turn off the display. You can also control brightness levels with the same button. The second button, which is longer, is for volume control and for switching to 120 Hz mode. The glasses come with a light shield cover that comes installed on it when you first take it out of the pouch. When you take that off, you expose the lenses, which allow a lot of lights to pass through when using the glasses. The cover has been designed to be quick and easy to put on and to take off, which is a huge plus as far as I'm concerned. When you take out the divider within the travel case, you'll find a fairly large compartment for storing small accessories. In there, you'll also find a super thin and a long USB-C cable with a straight and an angled connector on each end. This is the only cable that you'll want to use in connecting directly to the glasses. The angled connector goes into the USB-C port on the left temple, and the straight end goes into the device directly or into an adapter that then goes into the other device. There was also an extra nose pad in there in case you lose or damage the one already put on the glasses themselves. Switching out nose pads is as easy as pulling one out until it disconnects and pushing in the other one until it connects. There's some other accessories that can be picked up alongside the Rokid Max for getting the most out of them. First, you've got the head strap or leg buckle. This is great for keeping the glasses secured to your head, and it works so well at it too. It's super quick to attach it to the glasses, as all you have to do is attach each end of the strap to the corresponding temple. Each end of the strap has been labeled L or R to identify which side to attach to the left or to the right. The next accessory is the Rokid hub, and this thing is a miniature USB-C dock with 2 USB-C inputs and a single USB-C output. The hub basically splits a single USB-C output into 2 inputs, one for power and one for data. This little adapter is how you'll be able to charge your USB-C device while using it with the glasses at the same time. Another really useful accessory is the USB-C to HDMI adapter. Now, you'll need this one if you plan on using the glasses with devices with HDMI ports like consoles. The adapter has two inputs and a single HDMI output. One input is for connecting to the glasses and the other input is for providing power for the adapter. Something I really like about the travel case is how spacious it is. The bottom compartment has enough space to hold accessories and cables that you're going to need with the glasses, and the top compartment holds the glasses themselves pretty comfortably. The first device I decided to pair the Rokid Max with was the Steam Deck, and honestly, it seems like this is a target market for the glasses right now due to how well they work together. The setup process is a breeze, and all you've got to do is connect the glasses directly to the Steam Deck through the USB-C ports on the top side. After connecting, the deck's display goes dark and visuals move onto the much larger HD display on the glasses. The glasses themselves have a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is great, but unfortunately, the Steam Deck caps out at 60 Hz, so it's limited to just that even when hooked up to the glasses. The glasses also have a 50-degree field of view for a nice level of immersion. The first impression that I actually got from using them was, number one, the screen can get really bright, which is great since you can see the projection a lot better even in the daytime. If you find that the brightness is too much for you, you can always use the control on the right temple to adjust between 6 different levels. I found that the best way, at least for me, is to use the maximum brightness in the daytime and a lower brightness setting at night. Using the myopia correction knob is also effortless, and once you find your sweet spot, everything looks sharper except the corners, which remains blurry regardless of how you adjust the knob. What you want is to adjust each knob to find the perfect amount of clarity for each eye when looking straight forward at the screen. Once I quickly got this part sorted out, all that was left was to put on one of my games, sit back or lay down, and jump right in. You also get a resolution of up to 1080p as opposed to the maximum of 800p on the deck's display. For me, I found that the single cable connection is a huge plus when it comes to using the glasses with the Steam Deck, as it helps maintain portability. The cable is also super thin, which I found to be less intrusive than thicker ones with other AR glasses I've experienced in the past. With or without the light shield cover on, the glasses get bright enough to be visible, trust me. For me, I still prefer to always use the glasses with the cover on for the best visuals and the maximum level of immersiveness. There's absolutely no need to worry about your surroundings, as you can still see out the sides when using them, and without earbuds or a headset on, you're also going to be able to hear your surroundings. I also found out that using dedicated earbuds deliver way better audio than the speakers on the Rokid Max. Now, if you really want to level up your portable gaming experience, you gotta pair the glasses with the Steam Deck, some wireless Bluetooth earbuds or headsets, and a wireless controller like the PlayStation DualSense. And trust me, it's a whole other experience entirely. I'd like to also add that using the leg buckle or head strap accessory with the glasses was great for keeping them tightly secured to my face. I was able to keep them locked in the same spot close to my eyes with this strap on than without. They're not necessary to still enjoy using the glasses, but they're certainly worth considering. I found it really difficult to capture how things looked when viewed through the lenses without trying them on for yourself, but I was able to still get some decent footage using my phone's camera to record one of the micro OLED lenses. The Rokid Hub doesn't work yet for both charging the deck and using the glasses at the same time, but I've been told by the makers of the glasses that this feature should be expected. Honestly, it could be the perfect accessory to use with the glasses and the Steam Deck for charging and gaming at the same time. Since the glasses don't come with built-in batteries, a direct connection to the Steam Deck means it'll have to draw some juice from the glasses, but in return, it also saves the deck some battery with its display turned off the entire time. Once it's sorted out though, you'll be able to charge the Steam Deck and use the glasses while you game using the Rokid Hub. I'll certainly be watching out for progress on this. If you're wondering if the screen can be pinned to one spot while you're gaming, unfortunately, it cannot, especially since the glasses are using the air casting mode when paired with the Steam Deck. In air casting mode, you get a bit less functionality from the Rokid Max. For example, there's a smaller screen at about 130 inches and you have way less control over a lot more than you would when using AR mode. AR mode is the other mode besides air casting, which gives you all the functionality of air casting and more. But unfortunately, it's only limited to a specific list of Android phones. Using the glasses with the Steam Deck is probably the best use case for them at the moment, but there's others, and I tried out a few more during my time with them so far. Next setup I tried out was using a console, and I used the Xbox Series X for this. This only allows the glasses to use air casting mode, just like the Steam Deck connection as well. You can also use it with a PS5, a PS4, a Nintendo Switch OLED, and almost anything else that outputs visuals through HDMI. The setup with the Series X requires a few more items than when used with the Steam Deck. You'll need the USB-C to HDMI adapter accessory to get this one going. Essentially, you connect the console to power. Next, you want to connect the power port on the adapter to the console's USB Type-A port. Then you connect the HDMI end of the adapter to the console, and then proceed to connect the USB-C ports on the adapter to the glasses. After that, you're all set to fire up the console and get going on any game of your choice. The quality and performance of the visuals here is better than what you get with the Steam Deck, since the console has more power. Although the console can push up to 4K, you can only get a maximum of 1080p with the Rokid Max glasses, but let me tell you something, it looks amazing nonetheless. This pretty much eliminates the need for a TV when using any of your consoles and can be the perfect travel companion. I've been told by Rokid that the 120Hz mode on the glasses isn't available on consoles yet, but should be expected. The last test involved using a smartphone to try out AR mode on the glasses. The setup connects just like the Steam Deck through the phone's charging port. AR mode on the glasses work great, but unfortunately, that's only when used with a select list of Android smartphones. For iPhones, you'll need to pick up an extra item to enable connecting through the lighting port, and even after that, you can only use air casting mode with them. I used an Oppo Find X5 with the glasses, and with the Rokid AR app installed on it, I was able to check out some of the cooler AR features I otherwise couldn't access with other devices, and I'll admit, it's pretty cool. There's games that you can download from the AR store on there that have been designed for augmented reality gameplay, and watching movies or just videos in general is so nice on that massive screen. Even just surfing the web with the glasses on makes using the phone more comfortable and a lot more immersive. You can watch movies like you're in a theater with the glasses operating at their best when connected to a compatible smartphone. You get out to 215 inches of screen space with 50 degrees of field of view and a maximum of 120 Hz for a buttery smooth screen. To enable 120 Hz mode, you'll have to press and hold the volume up button for a minimum of 8 seconds. When I tried using the Rokid Hub to pass through charging to the smartphone and data to the glasses, it worked very well here. So hopefully this is something that gets fixed for the Steam Deck as well, because I really want to see it work well for that setup. If you've got one of the compatible smartphones that works with the Rokid Max, you're probably gonna love using AR mode, and with a single USB-C cable connection, you can use the combo anywhere quickly and easily. The glasses also work well with laptops, or at least the air casting mode works with the M1 MacBook I used it with. All it did here was essentially add an extra 130-inch screen, just like when connected to an additional monitor. So essentially, air casting mode. Unfortunately, as I mentioned earlier, you can't pin the screen to one spot in air casting mode, which would have been ideal for using the glasses for desktop or laptop related activities. Out of every device I use the glasses with, the Steam Deck was definitely my top use case. It enhances the 7-inch display on the Steam Deck by enlarging it to at least 130 inches and also providing the option of gaming at higher resolutions up to 1080p. It also extends the battery life on the deck, which is great considering what the battery life is like on there. It'll be nice to have the Rokid Hub work, as I think it's a major piece that could really improve using the deck with the glasses. One of the major benefits I've noticed with using the glasses with the Steam Deck is better postures while gaming in whatever position I choose. Gaming laying down or sitting up is a lot less taxing on the neck and the arms, and looking at the size of the deck, that's certainly a huge plus. It's also great for use with consoles, which could be perfect for anyone who travels a lot and likes to bring their console around with them. Now you can just carry around a 130-inch TV in your pocket and game wherever you want, as long as you have access to power for the console. Make sure to pick up the necessary adapter if you plan on using it this way. With phones, it's amazing, but like I said before, only if you use it with the supported Android smartphones. I'm just glad to see that AR tech keeps evolving and getting better. The Rokid Max is super lightweight, looks trendy, and does a solid job of providing an immersive AR experience. Let me know down below in the comment section what you would use glasses like these for. Anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. You can find out more information on it through the link that I've included down in the description below. If you've made it to this point, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. It's Tommy, and I'm out, y'all.